Government has come out and explained its relationship with controversial company Esterwood. Honourable Premier Tsoka said Niue's dealings with Esterwood and the Niue Migrant Investor Program was severed when the current government took power in 2008.
I think I explained right at the beginning of our administration that we closed it down because there were certain uncertainties about the numbers and uncertainties about some of the legal issues that we had tried to raise. We were concerned enough to seek a legal opinion, and it was our view that in fact at that times in that format it wasn't appropriate for Niue.
Would you like to respond to the report? Was the court case in New Zealand?
Well, I can't. I don't know anything about it. I've read about the fact that there was a court case and it's against Esterwood and its principles. I'm not certain as to whether we have been implicated or not in that thing. But we had taken precautions to ensure that in fact we followed the terms of the agreement. But it still doesn't mean to say that in fact they have a right to seek redress.
According to Premier Talangi, the Esterwood court case in New Zealand recently is not a concern of government.